Let's get into a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a mask transition in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit tab in DaVinci and duplicate your video clip. Next, go to the first frame of the clip that will appear after the transition. Open the speed settings and click on Freeze Frame. Then, drag that frozen frame backward depending on how long you want it to appear at the end of the first clip. Now, switch to the Color tab, click on the same frame, and press Alt+S to create a new node. Go to the Window panel, select the Polygon tool, and start masking your subject manually. When you're done, right-click and choose Add Alpha Output, then connect it to make the background transparent. Go back to the Edit tab, open the Transform settings, and add keyframes to create a smooth motion animation. Depending on your editing style, you can also add extra effects to enhance the look, like motion blur or even some color grading. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tips. See you in the next one.